Witz. This is the story of Lucas. Lucas is a student. Every day, he travels. He goes to school in the morning. He comes home at night. He takes the train. The train station is big. But at night, it is very quiet. The station is empty. There are no people. The lights are not bright. They are weak and yellow. It feels a little lonely. One night, Lucas is very tired. He had a long day at school. Hugh wants to go home quickly. He walks to the platform. He holds his phone in his hand. He is looking at videos on his phone. He is not looking at the station. A train arrives. Lucas hears the train. He walks towards it. He is still looking at his phone. He does not see the sign on the train. The sign shows the train's destination. It is the wrong destination. Lucas gets on the train. The doors close behind him with a loud sound. The train starts to move. It moves very fast, much faster than his usual train. Lucas finally looks up from his phone. He looks around the train car. It is empty. There are no people. He is all alone. He listens. There are no voices. No announcements. There is only the loud noise of the train on the tracks. It is a scary sound. Lucas feels strange. Something is wrong. His heart starts to beat faster. This is not his train. Where is this train going? Suddenly, the train stops. It stops very hard. Lucas almost falls. Then, all the lights in the train turn off. It is completely dark. Lucas is scared. He stands up from his seat. His hands are shaking. He cannot see anything. He can only hear his own breathing. Then, he sees a shape. A man appears at the end of the car. He is just a dark shadow at first. The man says nothing. He just stands there. Lucas cannot see his face well, but he can feel that the man is angry. Lucas takes a step back. His heart is beating so hard, it feels like a drum in his chest. The man starts to walk. He walks slowly towards Lucas. Each step is loud in the silent train. Closer and closer he comes. Lucas knows he must escape. He turns and runs. He runs through the dark train car. He finds a door. He pulls the handle with all his strength. The door opens. Without thinking, Lucas jumps out of the train. He jumps into the darkness. He falls hard on the ground next to the tracks. He feels a sharp pain in his arm and his leg. He looks up. The mysterious train starts moving again. It quietly disappears into the night. Lucas is hurt, but he is alive. He lies on the cold ground for a moment. He breathes deeply. The air is cold. He is safe. He slowly and carefully stands up. His whole body hurts. He looks around. He is in a dark, industrial area he does not know. Soon, he hears sirens. Police cars arrive with their flashing lights. The police officers help Lucas. They listen to his story. They are very serious. They tell Lucas that the train was an illegal train. It was not part of the normal schedule. It was very dangerous. They tell Lucas he was very, very lucky to escape. Later, at home, Lucas thinks a lot about what happened. He sits in his room and thinks for a long time. He understands his mistake. He was looking at his phone. He was not paying attention. His distraction was dangerous. It almost cost him his life. Being attentive is very important. Attention can save your life. Every decision, every second matters. Lucas goes to his mother and gives her a big hug. He is so happy to be safe with his family. puts his phone down on the table. From now on, he will look at the world around him. He will be careful. He will pay attention to everything. Because life is precious, and we must protect it by being aware of our surroundings. Thank you for watching. Remember to always be aware of what is happening around you. Stay safe. If you liked this story, please like and subscribe for more.